Welcome, adventurers, to a journey into the heart of our planet's greatest wilderness, the Amazon rainforest. This isn't just a forest, it's a world teeming with mysteries, a colossal, living, breathing entity that covers an area so vast it's hard to comprehend. Spanning across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is home to a staggering 10% of the world's known species. Today, we're diving deep into this emerald ocean, exploring the strange, the wonderful, and the downright gigantic creatures and plants that call this jungle home. Imagine a river so immense it holds 1/5 of the world's fresh river water. That's the Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest. Its waters are not always clear. Some are dark, stained by tannins from decaying leaves, earning them the name Blackwater Rivers. But beneath the surface, a hidden world thrives. Here, you'll find the legendary pink river dolphin, a creature straight out of a myth. Unlike their saltwater cousins, these dolphins are remarkably flexible, able to navigate the flooded forest floor during the wet season. Their unique pinkish hue, which gets brighter when they're excited, is a sight to behold. But they share these waters with formidable predators. The black caiman, an alligator relative that can grow up to 16 feet long, lurks silently, its eyes just above the water, a master of ambush. And let's not forget the piranha, a fish with a fearsome reputation, though in reality they are mostly scavengers and play a crucial role in the river's ecosystem. As we move from the water to the land, the sheer density of the jungle is overwhelming. The air is thick with humidity, alive with a constant symphony of buzzing insects, chirping birds, and the distant calls of howler monkeys. Looking up, the canopy is so thick that in some places the forest floor is in perpetual twilight, with less than 1% of sunlight ever reaching the ground. This constant competition for light has led to some incredible adaptations. The trees themselves are giants. The kapok tree, for instance, can soar over 200 feet into the air, its massive buttress roots anchoring it to the soil like giant fins. These trees create a multi-layered world. The forest floor, the understory, the canopy, and the emergent layer each is a distinct habitat with its own unique residents. And the residents are truly bizarre. Take the sloth, the world's slowest mammal. It moves so slowly that algae actually grows on its fur, providing perfect camouflage. They spend nearly their entire lives hanging upside down from branches. A lifestyle made possible by specialized claws and a uniquely adapted internal anatomy. Then there's the glass frog. From above, it looks like a typical green frog, but look from underneath and you'll see its transparent belly, revealing its beating heart, liver, and digestive system. It's a living, breathing anatomy lesson, hopping through the leaves. We also have the poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian painted in brilliant electric colors. These vibrant hues aren't for show, they're a warning. Their skin secretes a potent toxin, a defense mechanism so effective that indigenous tribes have historically used it to tip their hunting darts. The insect world here is on another scale entirely. The Hercules beetle, for example, is one of the largest beetles on Earth. The male has a massive horn that can be longer than its own body, which it uses to fight rivals. You might also encounter the leafcutter ant. These tiny farmers don't eat the leaves they carry in long winding lines across the forest floor. Instead, they take them to their underground nests to cultivate a special type of fungus, which is their primary food source. It's a fascinating example of symbiosis, a complex agricultural society operating right under our feet. And you can't talk about Amazon insects without mentioning the bullet ant. Its sting is said to be the most painful of any insect, described as feeling like being shot, hence the name. It's a sharp reminder that in the Amazon, even the smallest creatures demand respect. Now, let's talk about the titans of the Amazon, the creatures that command both awe and fear. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, is the apex predator of the rainforest. Unlike most felines, it's an excellent swimmer and has a bite so powerful it can pierce the shells of turtles and the thick hides of caimans. Seeing one in the wild is an incredibly rare and unforgettable experience. It moves with a stealthy grace, a ghost of the jungle, its spotted coat providing perfect camouflage amidst the dappled light of the forest floor. And of course, there are the snakes. The Amazon is famous for its massive serpents, and none is more legendary than the green anaconda. This is one of the heaviest snakes in the world, a true behemoth of the swamps and slow-moving streams. Anacondas are not venomous. They are constrictors, using their immense muscular bodies to subdue their prey, which can include anything from capybaras and deer to caimones. They spend most of their time in the water, where their buoyancy helps them move their massive bodies with surprising speed and stealth. The stories of man-eating anacondas are mostly myth, but there's no denying the primal fear one feels when contemplating a creature of this size and power. They are true giants, a testament to the raw, untamed nature of the Amazon. But the Amazon's wonders aren't limited to its fauna. The flora is just as strange and fascinating. Consider the walking palm tree. It has stilt-like roots that allow it to slowly walk across the forest floor, moving towards sunlight as the forest changes around it. It's a process that can take years, but it's a remarkable adaptation to a competitive environment. Then there's the Victoria amazonica, a giant water lily with leaves so large and strong they can support the weight of a small child. Its beautiful flowers bloom at night, changing color from white to pink before sinking back into the water. This incredible ecosystem is a treasure trove of biodiversity, with countless species of plants, many of which have medicinal properties that have been used by indigenous communities for centuries and are now being studied by modern science. The Amazon rainforest is a world of superlatives. It's the biggest, the most diverse, the most mysterious. It's a place where evolution has run wild, producing creatures and plants that defy imagination. From pink dolphins and glass frogs to jaguars and colossal anacondas, every corner of this jungle holds a new discovery, a new wonder, but it's also a world under threat. Deforestation and climate change are putting immense pressure on this vital ecosystem. Exploring and understanding the Amazon is the first step toward appreciating its importance and the urgent need to protect it for future generations. It's the lungs of our planet, a library of biological wonders, and a place of unparalleled natural beauty. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey deep into the Amazon jungle. I hope it's inspired you to learn more about this amazing part of our world. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next expedition. See you next time.